Hello everyone, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I thought I would show you all how to make a face mask. This is a face mask to protect you and others from the COVID-19 and also any flu it might be out there still, and viruses. This is made out of this 100% cotton bandana. So I got it out, I washed it, and I dried it, and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the way I made it was I just simply folded it up in several different folds. So I got it folded to about the size I thought that would cover my nose and mouth, and I put a fresh coffee filter in it. Some of my family can wear them with the coffee filter and I cannot because it makes it too hot for me, so I take the coffee filter out. I use these stretchy ponytail bands that I already had. I already had this scarf. It's 100% cotton. I always use 100% cotton or 100% linen because that is a fabric that breathes, and this time of the year when it's hot, you know, it won't be as stifling to wear these. So then all I do is I put this in the center, and I usually put this part underneath the other part. It's hard to do it with one hand, but you get the gist of it. And then turn it over. You try it on. Make sure it fits well. And there you have a quick no-sew mask that you can make, really, if you're not talking on a video like I am, in about 1 minute, 1 minute and a half. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Stay well. Pray with me that God will heal all of us of this coronavirus and heal everyone's heart in the world, and so we can have happy days ahead. And let's remind each other God loves us all. And thank you. I love y'all too. Thank y'all so much for watching. I sure do appreciate it. God bless each and every one who is watching. Take care, and don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I sure would appreciate it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye-bye.